Picture this, it's 1994. Your mama says, dinner's ready. What is it? It's gonna be that old hamburger helper, that beef stroganoff that you loved. Well, guess what? I've got a super easy, quick homemade one for you. It's gonna take about 10 minutes from start to finish. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get to cooking. So why did we love that hamburger helper? We loved it because it was quick, it was delicious. I mean, come on, there was like 1,000 different hamburger helpers, right? But this one just, in my opinion, was the best. All right, you can argue with me that it was a cheeseburger one, but trust me, this was it. You don't have to do this. I have shiitake, I have white mushrooms. I'm gonna put that down on high heat here. You want to have some pepper, lots of pepper. Okay. Why I like to use a mixture of the white and the shiitake mushrooms is just because it adds a little bit better flavor in my opinion. White mushrooms can sometimes get a little boring to me, but not with this. We're gonna toss this up real good. Okay. While that's cooking, we're going to talk about our meat. Today I'm using ground sirloin. You don't have to use ground sirloin. You can use a shaved ribeye. You can do ground beef, 80-20, lean, however you want to. Just make sure it is beef. Now, some people, they just didn't even use the beef part of the recipe. They just made the hamburger helper, right? So, hey, if you're vegetarian, don't worry about the beef. All right, we're going to break this up here. Okay, now we are going to add yellow onion. I've already bought the pre-chopped kind. This is just easier for me, especially during the weeknights. I'm gonna just toss that down. Gonna give a little bit of olive oil to it. A little bit of pepper. Already smells so good. And then, can't forget my garlic. Now you can totally use fresh garlic, but for today's purposes, I'm doing it quick. Garlic's the way to go. I'm gonna add about what would equal 2 cloves of garlic onto my mushrooms here. And then we're going to toss them up. Smells so good. Now your mushrooms are what's gonna take the longest to cook down. That's why we put those down first. Now for the kiddos, if they absolutely loathe the mushrooms, then you can put these on the side and add them later if you wanted to. Tossing our beef. So we're just waiting all of this to kind of cook up here. I'm getting my meat all nice and chopped up. Smells amazing. I would say maybe about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna mix it all up and add all those nostalgic, yummy flavors. From the mushrooms to the onions to the ground beef, all of the yumminess into a mound here. We're gonna add the flavor. The flavor is that beef bouillon base. This is just such a quick little hack for a punch of flavor. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon on there. You really don't need a lot. Add some water to that. That'll help break down that bouillon base. Now we're gonna add the noodles. You can argue with me and say, oh, just use the egg noodles, but I'm telling you, some good rotini noodles are the way to go. I have these al dente, by the way. Probably a good amount there. I might add more, we'll see about it. And then I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt. Now save a little bit to dollop on top, but this is gonna add the creamy texture you're gonna be looking for within that stroganoff. So just toss everything all together. Oh, it smells amazing. It is 1994. Mama said dinner is ready and I'm a-running. And this is what's for dinner. I'm gonna turn off my griddle here. So good. About 1 more minute and then we're gonna plate. Now what we're gonna do is plate it. You're gonna add some green onions on top. I love green onions. It just gives you that pop of flavor, and then just a little dollop of the Greek yogurt on top, and look at that beauty. My goodness, nostalgia. It is 1994 and it is dinner time. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of my Greek yogurt here, and we're gonna take a good old bite. Going in. Wow. Honestly, this is way better than the box kind. I mean, obviously, but I mean, the nostalgic flavors are still there, but it's like stepping up a notch here, especially with these mushrooms. These are like fresh mushrooms. I gotta go on for more, man. Mamas, this dinner is for you, especially because we kept it quick, simple, and most importantly, delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.